Hey guys, let's pick up where we left off. In today's video, let's talk about creating a report for your Pytest, right, with Selenium. And one thing we have done initially or earlier is that we installed the plugin, basically that we need to generate that report. And let me so the plugin that we basically installed was the HTML-report. So let's just go back to settings just quickly. Recap what we did is pytest.html, which is the basic. Let's just go to the package, click on add. I'll just search for it again just so you see what it is that we installed, but we have already done that initially, right? So pytest.html, yeah, this one. So this will basically, we already installed it, so it's what we will use to generate our report. So let's do this. 1 second. All right. So let me go back over here, and one thing we could do is, let's go ahead. Let's just add some on our config test, on our conf test in our test cases. Let's go there real quick. Let's make some changes here for the report. Let's add some hooks. All right, I'm just going to add it on the bottom here. And this is basically going to define the report information, so metadata and things like that. So I just added here. You guys can take a look at this, but out of the box, we can just run this HTML report. So let's just do this. Let's run one, and we're going to run this test cases, test login again, but with HTML equal reports, right? So /HTML. So it's basically, 1 second, I may have just entered something incorrectly here. File not found. Let me just see. Let me take a look at what the command here is. All right, let me just look at this command again. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to run python-m, and in pytest, I don't want to run it three instances anymore. So, and then --html, okay, equals, and then, for example, mine here is in reports. And then I want the file name report.html. I can call it any name. Let's just do it. The first run I did was report.html. So let me just do report underscore, call it this login. I'm just gonna label that just to be different. And then you're gonna run test the test cases.test login browser.chrome. That's what I'm gonna run right now. And we should be able to proceed. Let's see what happens here. What did it say again? File not found. Let's make sure we have the right path. Actually, let's do this just to make sure I have it. All right, let's see where my issues are here. So, okay, so just be careful when you do it. For example, --browser, I didn't put it there. So it's html equal reports that report.html, and then a test cases login and then --browser Chrome. And if you enter, you should be able to run this. You can see it's initially collect the items, and it's going to run the test cases there. And those are simple test cases that we just added there just to introduce various functionality, right? We are going to do the next clip on basically do a data-driven test, and that's what's going to be next, okay? But let's just first run this test and then look at the report, just to see what the report looks like. So as this is completed, we'll just look at the report folder and expand, and you can see we have the one I initially had created and this one here. So let's just go to reports.html. Right, so what you want to do is view this in your browser, right? So you right click and view in browser. You can do that, or let's just do that. Let's go to Chrome. Open in Chrome. Give it a second, it's coming up. As you can see, the report has been generated and the summary information is here. The test passed or failed. So right now these are two passing test cases. And if you show details, you'll get a little bit of details with the log information. And you can see that we log these as it's running. So you can put as much log as you want in your test cases. So you can see that we have a generic report at the moment. And then we can extend this as we go. So right now in that file, I put the tester name and project name and things like that. And it appears here. You can change those how you want, what you want to put in there, what you want to pass in there. You know, tester name, project name. You can add other fields here and configure and basically change your adjust your report information. All right, guys. So that is all with this blog, and I'll see you in the next clip. Thanks.